You may have seen the letter DB printed on underground conduit, but what exactly does that mean? In this video, we'll explore the DB series of PVC conduit. DB stands for direct barrier, conduit designed to be installed directly underground with or without encasement. Most DB conduits comply with NEMA TC6A standards in the USA and CSA 22.2 number 211.1 in Canada. Let's break down the main DB types in America. DB60, DB100, and DB120, each with different wall thickness and strain ratings. The higher the number, the thicker the wall, and the more durable the conduit. For example, at 3 inches, DB60 has a wall thickness of about 0.1 inch, DB100 is around 0.121 inch, and DB120 goes up to 0.127 inch. In Canada, DB2 is the most commonly used type for DB conduit. For example, the 3 inches DB2 has a minimum wall thickness of 2.03 mm, which is thicker than all the DB series mentioned earlier. DB conduits are typically gray, but other colors are available for special application or customer requirements. Each conduit is clearly printed with specification codes, wall type, and compliance markings. Whether you are working on residential fiber optic or industrial power lines, there's a DB conduit ready for the job. Hope this video is helpful. Ctube offers CSA certified DB2 PVC conduit with different sizes. If you are interested in our products, feel free to contact us.